Hello everyone, welcome back once again. In this chapter we are going to learn IFS, ifs function. Earlier we have already used if and nested if function. The new ifs formula is a replacement of nested if formula. Instead of using if repeatedly in nested if function, we will be using this ifs once and rest of the work of nested if will be done. If you have not watched the nested if function, then you please check out in the I button, click at the I button, or I will also give a link in the description down below. You can watch out there and you can come back to this chapter again after watching the nested if and how it works in the same way. But it is available only in Excel 2019 and on 365s. So if you have not installed your latest version, then probably you have to still use the nested if, but still you ought to know how the ifs function works. Okay, so let's see with the example. Here we have some data that the division, region and the revenue is given, and the criteria for comment is also given here, that if the revenue is more than 45,000, then what is the comment to be assigned? That is amazing. And if it is above 40,000, then it is very good, above 35 and so on. Okay, and in a regular traditional if formula we used to write only one if, but in a nested if we have to match all these criteria one after another, so that will be replaced by ifs function. So what is the syntax? Syntax is equal to ifs, then the logical test. What is the logical test? That if the revenue is more than 45,000, so the revenue is in this column, so let's select this, D is greater than 45,000. okay, then what will be the comment, what will be the text to be assigned in this? If the condition is true, that is amazing. Amazing. And in nested if, what you used to do, we will write if here again, but here we are not going to write. We will again make a next test. That is same thing, D4 is greater than 40,000, then text will be very good. D4 is greater than 35,000, then text will be good. Then next logical text is if D4 is greater than 30,000, text is what is that? Bad. And if it is less than 30,000, then it should be very bad. D4 is less than or equal to 30,000, then it's very bad. Bracket close, hit enter, and you will get the result. Now it is 44,196, which is above 40,000 but less than 45,000. That's why when it is 40,000, it is coming very good. So we can drag this formula to all the cells and all the result has been given. Let's see how it works. Excel formula works from left to right. So first condition is that if the value at D4 is greater than 45,000, then it will assign amazing. So here in this case it is 44,196. So this condition is fail. When this condition is fail, then it will jump to the next condition. The next condition is D4 greater than 40,000. So this 44,196 is more than 40,000, right? So this condition becomes true. When the condition becomes true, the text in that logical test will be pass, then it is very good. That's why it is coming very good here. Here it is very bad. Very bad is because first 45,000 condition is false, 20,898, and then 40,000 is also false, and 35 is also false, and 30,000 is also false. It qualifies the last condition, which is the value is less than or equal to. 30,000. So 20,898 is less than 30,000. That's why it is become very bad, right? So this is how it works. And if that instead of putting this condition, if you want to say like if all the above condition, all the previous condition, means from here to here, if it is false, then let it be very bad. So instead of in the if function, we can say if this condition is true, then this one, if false, then this one. So here instead of writing that one, we cannot write that one, so we can simply write true. Means all the other previous logical tests are fail, but this one is true. So when it is true, it will generate very bad. So let's copy the same thing again, it will give you the same result. All right, so this is how if function works in Excel. Please do let me know how you get this lecture and in the comment down below, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and do not forget to share your friends. That is the only cause of this video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.